decade, the Caribbean Sea has struggled with an overwhelming influx of sargassum, washing up on our beaches and impacting our coasts, our health, and our economies. Now it's time to take action.
Welcome to Pure Grenada, the Spice Isle of the Caribbean. On October 1st and 2nd, the government of Grenada will host the second annual European Union Caribbean Sargassum Conference. We are excited to welcome governments, entrepreneurs, investors, scientists, and financial institutions from across the Caribbean and Europe.
The need for viable solutions is undeniable, and it demands innovative approaches to transform sargassum from waste into a valuable resource.
Grenada is proud to be the hub where experiences are shared, innovative solutions are explored, investments are mobilized, and regional collaboration is strengthened to tackle this issue together.
Across Europe, a lot of people are working to support our Caribbean partners in addressing the growing challenge of sargassum, which affects so many people in this region.
Together, let's explore sustainable practices and exciting investment opportunities around sargassum in the entire Caribbean basin, where challenges can pave the way for incredible new ventures.
We are bringing our best from both the public and private sectors, along with the financial institutions, to Grenada as we collaborate on innovative solutions and economically viable uses for sargassum.
The need for viable solutions is undeniable, and it demands innovative approaches to transform sargassum from waste into a valuable resource.
Imagine transforming it into biofuel, compost, or even biodegradable products. The potential is simply enormous.
Together, let's explore sustainable practices and exciting investment opportunities around sargassum in the Caribbean basin.
In Grenada, we will showcase Caribbean and European innovators who are leading the way with solutions ready to be scaled up. Our mission is clear: to build sustainable value chains that foster economic growth, environmental sustainability, and resilience across your communities. This is the spirit of the global gateway for this region.
Join us as we work to turn the tide.